Hi, in front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the VeryFit Pro application on our phone. So let's open it. In the application, we can tap on the device icon and wait until the smartband is done syncing with our phone. It might take a while, but you can keep switching between the device and home page. You have the progress right here. Okay, now it's done. You can tap on device and the smartband is synced because you can see the info about our smartband right here. Once the device is synced, tap on the more option and here select device language. This should open the list of languages. The first option is default by OS, so basically it will sync the language from your phone. And now we can select one of the languages from this list, for example, Deutsch, and tap the check mark to confirm. As you could see, it said successfully applied. So when we wake up the screen on our smartband, it should change the language to Deutsch, as you can see, the German, like this. And once you're done, you can simply close the app. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.